2017 BMW X3. With less than 57,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, wood grain trim, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, power outlet, rear spoiler. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.